Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malviya and currently I am working as a data analyst in Addend Analytics. Welcome to the new video on ChatGPT for data analytics. Today we will be exploring how to create SQL queries using ChatGPT. This can be incredibly useful for students, teachers and professionals who want to interactively generate SQL queries for various database management systems. So let's get started. When you log into ChatGPT, you will get this interface, and as a first step, we will establish the role to ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a SQL expert. We did this so that ChatGPT will think like an SQL expert and return the output in the perspective of an SQL expert. Let's start with a practical example. Suppose you want to create a database, so you can ask ChatGPT for it. So you can enter the prompt as create a database for a movie library. So what ChatGPT will do, it will return you the SQL code to create the database movie library. As you can see here, it has written the code and then it has also added the comment to the code so that we can easily understand it. Now let's say you want to insert the data into a table. So what you have to do, you simply have to enter the prompt. We have inserted the prompt as insert the data for movies into the database. So again, it will provide me the SQL code for this. So as you can see here, it has written me the code to insert data within our database. So we can simply copy this code and paste it within SQL to create the database and then enter the data into tables. We can also use ChatGPT to make changes within our database schema and to make any change within our table. Let's say if we want to add a new column to the movie table. So what we will do is, we will insert the prompt as insert a new column to movies table. So it will provide me the code to alter the table, and in this way we can use ChatGPT to create basic to basic query, or we can also use ChatGPT to create any complex queries according to the requirement. The fantastic thing about SQL is that it is a standardized language for managing the database. So the SQL queries we generate with ChatGPT can work with various database management systems. And one important thing we have to keep in mind is that SQL queries might not always work perfectly. So what we have to do, if we encounter any error, then we have to simply copy that error and paste it in ChatGPT by adding the prompt as solve this error or provide me the alternative solution. So this is all about how we can use ChatGPT to create SQL queries. Thank you for watching.